Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an email to Google Chat. So if you want or if you this is your first time using a Google Chat, in order to chat someone, you have to add an email first. Uh, so let's get started by tap on chat. Here we go. So if you want to search on chat or begin the first chat with someone, you can tap on search on chat filter, and here you can try to search your friend's email. For example, this one, just tap it, and here we go. You can try, you can start to chat or send a message to your friend. Again, let's try one more time. This one. So you can start a new chat with this Google Chat by add new email of your friend. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.